Welcome, my dear friends, to yet another exciting episode of the Devlog Show. Prepare yourselves for a wild ride filled with coding marvels, gaming insights, and a touch of madness. Buckle up because we're about to embark on an entertaining journey through the magical realm of game development. Okay, folks, today's topic is none other than our beloved dialogue management system. Yes, you've heard it right. We've conquered the mighty realm of conversations. And here we're gonna shout it from the virtual rooftops. But why is this system so epic, you may ask? Well, let me break down the two main reasons for you. Picture this. You're making a game and it's running in the Unity editor, but it's running slower than a snail on a hot summer day. You scratch your head wondering why the heck it's lagging so much. When you build and run the game, it magically runs smoother than a greased up bolt of lightning late for work. Mind-blowing, I know. Part of the reason for the sudden power surge is all of the code from the Unity editor, even when not being used, is still taking up power from your computer. But when you build the game and run it, and you don't have all that extra stuff, it works better. Unity handles the heavy lifting for creating the game, but stays behind when you build and run the game. Just like our dialogue management system. See, the system is so nifty, it won't hog your computer's precious power when you're playing the game. It doesn't come with the game. You only need it to build the dialogue. On a side note, to anyone who wants to learn game development, check out GameDev.tv. I'm not sponsored, they're just amazing. Now, let's move on to reason number 2, shall we? Imagine a game with hundreds to thousands of items. Imagine now coding every single one of them. I mean, come on. Typically, that's where our trusty scriptable objects would come in. With those bad boys, you can create a base set of rules for similar items, so you can just create a weapon and then tune it to make it like a dagger or a sword or a hammer. And so it's super easy to just pump out items with similar characteristics. But the only downside is you still have to hook it up to characters. But with the dialogue system, you could have hundreds or thousands of lines of dialogue, and you don't want to hook up every single one if you can avoid it. Enter, again, our dialogue management system. It is the superhero that saves you from time-wasting, mind-numbing setup tasks. With a click of a button, boom! Another response is born into the gaming universe. It's like a magical genie granting your wish for quick and easy dialogue connections. No more wasting precious minutes on mundane tasks. It's all about the designer efficiency, baby. But wait, adventurers! The wonders do not stop there. For this system got me thinking. Yes, dangerous, I know. Imagine using this system not for dialogue, but for connecting different pieces of information. Like, for example, a tabletop role-playing game, like D&D. Picture this. Your players face a choice, and each decision they could make leads to a different outcome, you would hope. Typically, you would have on a piece of paper all of the different outcomes that you guess the players would take. The only problem is if you have, let's say, 5 different outcomes from what the players could do, it would take you a while to go and find them. Maybe not that long, you might think, but if you have 3 or 4 different decisions, you could have 15 different outcomes. By the time you get into the later stages, you could be flipping back and forth in the book to try to figure out what to do next. But with this system, you can create a web of interconnected choices branching off in every direction like a ball of timey-wimey stuff. No more flipping through the rule book like a frantic squirrel looking for acorns. Everything is right at your fingertips, ready to keep the game flowing like a swift river of excitement. Sorry, I'm getting a bit distracted. That's a wrap for today's episode of the Devlog Show. I hope you enjoyed this roller coaster ride through the wonders of the dialogue management system. I will see you on Wednesday, and please, wish me luck.